Now I know what you're thinking, finally Bosch have come out with a mobile storage system. And you're right, this is the brand new L BOXX Contractor. And I did have Chris here to tell me more about it, but Chris?
Well, that's right, we took our time, but we're finally happy to say that we have released something that we're really happy with.
Nice, so obviously to the untrained eye at home, or to maybe the trained eye as well, it's a storage system, it's boxes. So what is there about this that people need to know about?
Well, it has obviously all the fundamentals that you would expect from a storage system. They are IP protected, so they're IP65, so ideal for British summer, so dust and water resistant. They obviously are made out of a heavy duty plastic, but it's not a brittle plastic, it's got a bit of flex that also helps preventing it from getting damaged when on site. Some of the really important features that we're really proud of is something to do with the locking mechanism. The fact that we've made it basically effortless to disengage and remove the cases from each other. To get them back on, you simply index it on the back, and if you want, you can lift the handle, or you can just pop it down and you're locked back in again. The bottom box, can manage up to 113 kilograms, and the actual locking mechanism in between the boxes is designed up to 100 kilograms.
And I know some people will be looking at this stack and looking particularly at the bottom box and thinking, what, this seems like a mistake, we can't access the bottom box, but that's not the case with the Contractor, is it? So
we've thought of that as well, so actually the handle on the back can go all the way down to the bottom, and then actually you are able to tilt the bottom lid open without having to remove the additional boxes on top.
Yeah,
so we had thought about that as well.
Yeah, and this set that we've got in front of us now that Chris is just resealing can actually come as a kit. But Chris, obviously some people might already have their Bosch tools, so what about the L BOXX? Is it backwards compatible?
Absolutely. We didn't want to leave anyone out, so if you are running the existing L BOXX system, it is also fully compatible with the Contractor box system. Simply clicks on like that using the normal L BOXX clips. It's compatible with the XL box as well as other things such as the Bosch radios that have the same clip-in system.
Nice, and again, just another attachment you can get here. It doesn't look that exciting, but it's really practical. The tray that can come with it as well.
No, right. As an optional extra, you can also purchase something like the Contractor crate. This is ideal if you've got some unusual shaped things, or you've got things like solvent, paint, or whatever that doesn't fit in the boxes necessarily. You can also just use this, and it clips in via a similar system, indexes on the back, and then locks on the front. To remove it, nice red lever on the front here, push down, and simply comes out.
Easy as that. But what about some other optional extras?
Yeah, as another option, we have, say for example, our L BOXX tray system as well, which has two different drawers here, which allow us to have L boxes on. Really great feature is the fact that they come fully out as well, so it doesn't interfere with access when opening the lid, so you can open the lid completely to access whatever's in the L BOXX. They simply slide on, or just placed on top of the trays there, and then you can slide the drawers back in. Great feature is we also have these little security bars, so if you are in transit, that stops them from falling out. If you really want to secure them, then you've got little eyelets here allowing you to pop a padlock on so they're extra secure.
Perfect, and just while we're here, should we take a look at this as well? So this is the tool bag that you can get with it. Now this also is compatible, isn't it?
That's right, yes, we've designed our little Contractor backpack to also be compatible with the top. So you can see it simply indexes on the side here, locks in, but you're also able to slide it backwards and forwards. Another good feature to show is if you have any of our tool belt systems that run the Pro Click system, or if you have any other Pro Click accessories, these can be locked onto the side there. Well, not locked, but they can be placed on the side there, and they're pretty secure. So when you want to take off your belts for your lunch break or whatever, or if you want to go from location to location, you can pop them on the Contractor while moving from side to side.
Perfect. Now, as we can see, this is just sort of the first generation of releases for Contractor, so there is a lot more to come as well, but you can see it's a pretty solid start. This is a really good storage system if you're looking to get into something new. It's the new L BOXX Contractor, and you can get it at its.co.uk.